Fractal eraser. So we have a 16 by 16 grid here. We're going to overlay it with a giant 16x tile. What should happen if we take out a little 1 by 1 tile chunk out of this larger 16x tile? Well, I'll tell you what, we shouldn't just erase the entire 16x and have nothing there. That would look very jarring. So what's going to happen is we're going to take the 16x and replace it by 3 8x tiles, then we have 3 4x tiles, and then 3 2x tiles, 3 1x tiles, and then 1 missing 1x tile right down here. So it's like we blew out a little chunk of the tile and it left cracks behind. Okay, that's the easy version. What would happen if we have a large 16x tile and we remove a 7 by 7 chunk? We have a 7 by 7 fractal eraser. What's going to happen? Well, first of all, let's label things with 4 for 4x tile, 2 for 2x tile, 1 for 1x tile. Let's redraw it. Okay, let's redraw it again. Let's redraw it again. Okay, now it's starting to make sense because we're merging these cells, but this diagram looks a little bit spiny. Let's redraw it one more time. Ah, that starts to make sense now. So we have a 16x tile, and we've erased the 7 by 7 chunk, and we're left with the variety of 2x, 4x, and 1x tiles. So we almost have like a ZBrush thing going on. Okay, so like and subscribe. I am Kanji Coder. If you want a longer explanation, go to this playlist. Like and subscribe.